Shocking news have emerged from Shillong, Meghalaya. The Shillong MP, Ricky Andrewson-Kon, has passed away today, the 19th of February. According to reports, while he was playing football at Maoyong, he had collapsed, and immediately they rushed him to a nearby health center. It was after some time that they had then rushed him here to Robert Hospital. I've spoken to the doctors in charge while they're still preparing the press release. They had mentioned that there was no pulse, and he was declared dead at 8:42. We have also seen several of the supporters. Everyone is shattered at the moment. It has left everyone shocked. Just early morning today, a few of the journalists had also met him, and he was all jolly. The Chief Minister has also expressed his condolence, and there's a likelihood for the budget, which is supposed to be placed tomorrow, Friday. It will only be known by tomorrow what will the BAC decide, whether to put it on hold. As for the Chief Minister, he has expressed that it feels right as a mark of respect that it's better to hold it for now or to postpone, but that will only be known after the BAC meeting tomorrow in the Assembly. According to the doctor that I had spoken to, they are not clear exactly about how long did it take for Ricky Andrewson-Kon there at the health center. More details are still coming through. We're trying to understand what exactly happened, and was he suffering any illness. But the doctors have confirmed to East Mojo that this was a massive cardiac arrest, and when he was brought here to Robert Hospital also, they couldn't feel any pulse. Similarly, at the sub-center there, at the health center that he was taken, they had also mentioned the same. There was only a nurse available there. Though the health department are trying to find out exactly for more details. Let's listen in to what the Chief Minister had said earlier when we spoke to him.
Met late Dr. Ricky Andrewson-Kon about 2 weeks back in Delhi. I still remember the conversation we had. He had come to my residence and we had spoken about the different plans he had for the state, different institutes he wanted to bring up, different development schemes that he wanted to bring to Meghalaya. And for almost about 30 minutes to 45 minutes we discussed about the overall future of our state without going into politics. And that was the last meeting and conversation I had with Dr. Ricky Andrewson-Kon. And right after that, about 2 weeks back, then today in the evening, while I was preparing for the budget, which I was supposed to be presenting tomorrow, I was preparing for the budget and I got the news that there was a small incident where late Dr. Ricky Andrewson-Kon had collapsed while playing football. And I was not sure how serious the situation was, so I had called up all the officials concerned and said that kindly update me on how he's feeling, and hopefully he's feeling better. Only to learn later on that the situation was quite critical. And that's when I informed all the cabinet colleagues and all the officials that we must rush immediately. And it's a great loss for the state, great loss for the people, especially of Khasi Hills, Jayanti Hills, because we had a person in the form of late Dr. Ricky Andrewson-Kon, who had been working with full commitment and passion for the people of the region and the state as a whole. I express my deepest condolences to the family of late Dr. Ricky Singh Khan. I pray to Almighty that He may give strength to the family members as well as all His supporters, His party leaders, to bear the huge loss. And I pray to Almighty that His soul may rest in peace.
So you used the word was supposed to present the budget. Does this mean that you're holding it off, or
will there be any adjournment of the
We have
assembly?
discussed with the Deputy Chief Minister, Parliamentary Affairs. We will be having a meeting tomorrow with the PAC, headed by obviously the respected Speaker of the House, and the decision will be taken tomorrow. But I have communicated from my side to Honorable Deputy CM in charge Parliamentary Affairs that it would be appropriate for the government not to go ahead with the proceedings of the House tomorrow in respect of late Dr. Ricky Singh Khan. And even though tomorrow is the day we were supposed to present the budget, it would make absolute sense and respect to the departed soul if we were to postpone even the presentation of the budget tomorrow.